Hello everyone, this is Dan, KG7PAR from ICS Controllers. Today we're going to talk about how to set up the Active High or Active Low COS on your basic controller. And out of the box, the basic starts off as Active High, and the basic does its COS or COR detection slightly different than what you'd probably expect. It needs two set points. It needs the high set point and a low set point. And by default, that's how you set up your edge detection and where those thresholds occur. So for default, you have your high point at 2.5 and your low at 2.4. So this means that you get a rising edge and it's looking for an active high signal for the COS. Well, my radios are active low, and so we need to fix that, and we'll get started right now. So you'll first notice if I turn on the transmitter, the COS light doesn't turn on. Well, to fix that, we got to go change the set points first. So to do that, I'm just going to change one of them, and I'm going to change the 2.4 to 2.6, and that'll invert the logic. So to do that, I enter the code 58, and then unkey. Okay. Now I'm going to send 2 star 6, and that changes that value to 2.6, so it's now above the 2.5. Okay, and that takes care of that setting, but as you'll notice, when I key up, I still don't see a COS. So what's going on here? Well, there's no pull up on the COS line on the basic, and my radios are open collector as well, so there's no pull up on those. So there's nothing actually pulling that signal up for it to be able to see a falling edge. So I need to take care of that real quick, and I've already prepped this a little bit. So I'll unplug that. And you'll see here I've got a 22k ohm resistor, pin 2, and I'm going to solder the other side of this real quick. Hopefully that'll hold. Now when we plug it back in, if I just key up, everything works. So now my controller will listen. Apologize there. So now the basic controller is looking for an active low signal on the COS, and that's all it takes to get it set up for the active low versus active high setting. If you need to change it back, you can change the 5.8 command back to 2.4, and that'll change that. And you know, of course, I use the 13.8 volt pull up on pin 2. If your radio is 5 volts, you may want to consider using a different location where you can get 5 volts for your pull up resistor instead of the 13.8, so you don't drive too much voltage back into your radio. Okay, stay tuned for the next video.